a problem on composite supply and mixed supply. This is for you to work out. Here in two ways we can work out. Either we can have two columns where one column will be composite supply, other one is mixed supply. So you will write all the items under composite supply, those items which will come under composite supply you will write there, and those items will come under mixed supply you will write there. So there is one option, or else you will go on writing all the items, 8-9 items. In front of that you will write either it is composite supply or mixed supply. So it is left to you. Now I am going to explain this problem. Based on that explanation you are supposed to solve this particular problem. First one, supply of ready-made shirts packed in designer boxes along with within showed during the transit. So now this is what kind of supply. Now what happened here is ready-mades are supplied shirts packed in designer boxes. So now when it comes to these ready-made dresses, when you purchase the ready-made dress, along with your shirt itself the designer boxes will come. They are not they are naturally bundled, right? So branded things automatically it will come together. So this is naturally bundled. When it is naturally bundled, we'll consider it as composite supply. Next thing is, a travel ticket from Mumbai to Delhi may include service of food being served on board, free insurance, and the use of air lounge. See here what happened is various facilities are given to you, and all these things are included in the ticket. In the travel ticket, all these things are naturally bundled, like service of food, use of airport lounge, then food served, free insurance. So all these automatically it will come in your ticket. So that's why this is also a composite supply. Third one, a supply of package consisting, see, canned food, sweets, chocolates, cakes, dry fruits, and drink, aerated drink, and fruit juices. So all these are separate type of items. They are not naturally bundled. You can purchase them separately trading can be done. So this is a type of supply, we'll call it as mixed supply. So all different types of supplies are inclusive here. Next, the consumer buys a television set and he also gets the warranty and maintenance of the maintenance contract with the TV. So along with the TV, warranty charges are given to you. So when you purchase this TV itself, automatically when we purchase a new TV, automatically warranty will come in that itself, right? So it is a composite supply. So composite supply it is. Yeah, composite supply. Taxi driver makes retreating of tires with job worker. See here when it comes to this particular retreading of the tire, it is a supply of service. Now normally how it works is, see, retrading the tire with a job worker. Retrading means selling it back, what we can call it as second hand selling. Now he purchased it and he is selling it back to the job worker from whom it is purchased. So remember this is a type of composite this is a type of composite supply. Remember, composite supply. So normally what happens is when they purchase itself, they will do buyback agreement or handling agreement. So it is a composite supply. Next, a shopkeeper selling storage water bottles along with the refrigerator. So along with the refrigerator together he is selling selling water bottles. Now this is not a composite supply, but it is a mixed supply. Why mixed supply is, now the supply of bottles will not come along with the refrigerator. You have to purchase them separately. They are not naturally bundled. So that's why it is mixed supply. Next, a house is given to a rent through a single rent deed one floor of which is used for residence and the other housing is printing press at the lump sum rent amount. Now with one agreement, two things are given for the residence and commercial purpose. Now this is also a type of supply, what we'll call it as mixed supply, because they are not naturally bundled. Here one agreement he has done, but it is not naturally bundled. For commercial separate agreement he can do, for residential purpose one more separate agreement he can do. So that means it is mixed supply. Next, a trader supplied a charger along with mobile phone. Definitely it is a composite supply. When you purchase mobile phone, naturally it is bundled, charger will come along with that. Suman received a gift pack comprising chocolates, candles, sweets and balloons. Again, it's a mixed supply because we can purchase them separately, right? They are not naturally bundled, so that's why it is mixed supply. Next, a hotel, correct? Yes, a hotel provides 4 days 3 nights package wherein the facility of breakfast and dinner is provided along with the room accommodation. So along with the room accommodation together it is provided. Actually we have now this is a trend. When you are booking any hotels, especially these star hotels, breakfast will be given as complimentary. For that you are not paying money separately, so that is composite supply. A toothpaste company has offered a scheme of toothbrush along with the toothpaste. So here they have offered a scheme of toothbrush along with the toothpaste. See, now toothpaste and toothbrushes are related to each other, but they are not naturally bundled, right? So toothpaste, you are purchasing toothpaste in the sense along with the toothpaste it will not come free of cost, right? You have to purchase them. They are not naturally bundled. It is not necessary that you have to use toothbrush for cleaning purpose. Yeah, only toothpaste you can purchase. So that's why it is a mixed supply. They are not naturally bundled. That's why it is mixed supply. Next, buying dry fruits box for Diwali. It includes dry fruits box and a wrapper. Correct. So cover, wrapper is in the sense cover, it is that cover is included in the dry fruits. So in this example what happens is automatic for the when you are selling the dry fruits, in the sense definitely wrapping is needed, right? So it is naturally bundled. When you purchase dry fruits, along with that package will come, right? So that is composite supply. A laptop supplied along with the Windows 10, MS Office, both are installed in the laptop. Laptop is given along with the bag and it carries a warranty of 3 years. Now laptop is purchased, two types of softwares are given free of cost, bag is there. So all these things automatically it will come along with your laptop. So automatically it will come along with the laptop. So that's why it is composite supply. So these are the things what we have to consider when it comes to composite supply and mixed supply. So these are the method. This is the method you have to follow. Solve this problem and write it in your book. Thank you.